Alright, you're highly welcome to our wonderful channel. I am Opatafuor as usual. Kindly follow the page so that anytime that we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Leave your comment behind. Today too, I would love to bring on board on the issues of jealousy. When we read the Bible from Genesis to Revelation, the Bible has given its assertion on the emotion called jealousy, to which most of the assertion made by the scriptures boldly declares it that jealousy as emotion is embodied by an evil spirit. Jealousy as a pernicious and malevolent emotion has the power to corrode the very fabric of human relationship and sow a seeds of discord and discontent. But therefore, I would love to tell you that this insidious emotion born from feelings of insecurity and inadequacy can foster and grow, poisoning the mind and the soul of those who succumb to its treacherous grip. The effects of jealousy on the human side are profound and far-reaching, casting a dark shadow over one's sense of self-worth and identity. It can breed feelings of resentment, bitterness, and hostility towards others, leading to a breakdown in trust and communication. I also love to bring to your notice that jealousy can also fuel a sense of unworthiness and inferiority as individuals compare themselves unfavorably to others and internalize a sense of inadequacy. Moreover, Opatafuor, I would love to tell you that jealousy can manifest in destructive behaviors such as manipulation, deceit, and betrayal as individuals seek to protect what they perceive as their own and sabotage the success and happiness of others. This toxic cycle of envy and malice can erode the foundations of even the strongest relationship, leaving behind a trail of broken trust and shattered bonds. Physiologically, jealousy can wreak havoc on the body, triggering a cascade of stress hormones that can impact overall health and well-being. It is very pathetic that some people have chronic jealousy that can lead to heightened levels of anxiety, depression, and even physical ailments such as hypertension and weakened immune functions. So you can see clearly that jealousy is a dangerous disease and as a weapon of the enemy in such a way that it is a formidable foe that must be confronted and conquered in order to preserve the sanctity of human relationship and safeguard one's mental and emotional well-being by cultivating self-awareness, practicing empathy and compassion, and fostering a mindset of abundance and gratitude. Individuals can transcend the destructive grip of jealousy and cultivate a sense of inner peace and contentment. So it is of no news when the Bible boldly declares it that as humans we must not entertain the spirit of jealousy among brethren and sisters. Each one and everyone here on earth was gifted in an extraordinary way. You were born with some special qualities. I was also born with some special qualities. So for the fact that I jealous you doesn't mean that the talent, the gift, the dreams, and the prophetic unction upon your life will be given to me or bestowed upon you once I become envious and jealous of you. But we must learn to love each and everyone, to live in a peaceful coexistence in our society. For Bible says that it is born unto man to die at once, and after the death, the only thing left for humanity is judgment. So don't be envious and don't be jealous of your brother. For the fact that maybe he or she has something that you don't have doesn't mean that he or she is above you. You have some special qualities. God created you for a purpose. Allow the Spirit of God to train you and take its course on you, and at the right and appropriate time, God will bring you out. You will be brought to a limelight and nobody can take you down. Take note that you don't become jealous of a brethren. You don't become jealous of a sister's destiny. The good things and good tidings that God has bestowed upon somebody, don't become jealous of it. Don't stand beside somewhere and sabotage somebody. It's an evil act. It makes you to become a scene of mediocrity where people will laugh at you, because when you do such things, it breeds inferiority, which means you are not content with how God created you. So do away with the spirit of enviness and jealousy, and I know that the Spirit of God shall surely bless you. Thank you very much. very much and God bless you. Otafo nyankopon shira na me no kasa kakra wi frem Opatafuor afa eye ahoya ya ade asa o kenkan kyerosem na e wo kyerosem nim na Bible ama emfato mu bebrebe de entia eni kwanse onipa yesoso ahoya aso we yentam eni enuanom entam kitadudio so ahoya etimi ma yare ba nipa so efiri se wo taa wunia na ma ahoya atumi ebetena mu a etena komanim ebeduru mmerebe no otan ya wo taa nipa nti no etimi dane akoma yare etimi dane enusubiri etimi dane tipaye nti ya pomudin po no se onipa tan ni nua no onipa ya ahoya wo ni nua hyebre ho anase enipa bi a aba obi ntam ana aba obi nsam nti obi eye enibre ne ahoya ewo ho na otwitwa ne nantini akeka nsambone won ho no eno etimi ma ya pomudin ho etechima ne sa ho nti na hu behia se yeyi onipa yi ye enibre ahoya eni nyoma basa bi a wo ye ntam no eyi firi ntam eno firi ho a ahoya ya ade a se eba obi mu a na ekame akoye se ase wo no de wi a onyankopon si ball no sisiesie wo no wani nso efisese de awurade si ball no se wani so a enka wonya ahoya ewo obi ho se de onyankopon esi ball no se wani gia enka wonya ahoya ewo obi ho ekoba de sa de a na tesa wo pese wo kire se sa oni pa na wo ya ahoya won ho no ase odimu e de se no nanso se wutiwe se ho kire anani o man koyie na se obi die odidi ono na oda otimi tuaka enu nkire se wono osombo ana se we obi a odim ese no nyina onyankopon e de nioma bi a eye soronko enu odidi oduaye mu nioma bi a ema ye da soronko nioma bi a me Opatafuor ema me da soronko na so da soronko a me wa usu nibie a wo wa me sumi nibie enu onyankopon e de boa e de boye no de mayen se minu mienu ye mfantena asase so ne ye mfa moa ye ho etimi ni 1+1 a ebia na 1-1 minim na so de no aba ne de aboa ye ho ewo mantam enti ano ba bia wo hwe me bia no ana wotie me ne me bɔ kokɔ se bomoden hwe wo hu yie ne yi wo hu firi eye saa esu basabasa egu onipa hu fi na egu nanim ase eye anibre tan eni aho ya nketenkete a wo ye hu no na hwe ya saa ne yema no nti na adi yenya ahwe ya na asi ye nhira ho kwan na botaye ntiri mu pa wo se urade e de bɔ yen wo se bam ne ye kase onyankopɔn ne ye di ne yie no na antimi amam enti onyame nhira se wo subscribe ana se unfollow page a bomoden ne di page achi se de bia di video tuma wo so nyame betimi aye wadom na won saka ba bia wo bia nyame nhira bebre